Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we are unraveling the magic of ChatGPT, making it simple and engaging for everyone. Let's dive right in. So what exactly is ChatGPT? It's a marvel of artificial intelligence designed to converse, understand, and generate text that feels incredibly human. It's like having a conversation with a well-read friend who's always ready to chat.
The name OpenAI refers to open source. So the intent was, what was the opposite of Google? Would be an open source nonprofit, because Google is closed source for profit. Anyway, so OpenAI was meant to be open as an open source. It was created as a 501c3, so part of it is also, in the beginning, I thought, look, this is probably a hopeless endeavor. How could we possibly compete with? How could OpenAI possibly compete with Google DeepMind? I mean, this seemed like an ant against an elephant, which is not a contest.
From answering trivia to helping with homework, ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. Behind the scenes, ChatGPT operates using complex neural networks. It processes vast amounts of text, learning patterns, and context to generate coherent responses. It's like teaching a computer to think and respond like a human.
Neural networks form the base of deep learning, a subfield of machine learning where the algorithms are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Neural networks take in data, train themselves to recognize the patterns in this data, and then predict the outputs for a new set of similar data. An activated neuron transmits data to the neurons of the next layer over the channels. In this manner, the data is propagated through the network. This is called forward propagation.
Every interaction, every question helps it learn and evolve, making it smarter over time. The applications of ChatGPT are vast and varied. From customer support bots to content creation, it's enhancing user experiences across industries. Imagine getting tech support from an AI that understands your problem instantly.
So what I did is I asked them for a keyword strategy. It's basically going to give me a topic cluster for YouTube advertising. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see the keyword cluster. So this is YouTube advertising formats, and it's going to say the title for this, The Ultimate Guide to YouTube Video Ads. Next is how to create YouTube display ads that convert, how to use YouTube bumper ads for maximum impact, the complete guide to YouTube overlay ads, how to use YouTube remarketing to increase conversions, and each individual one is a different keyword cluster related to YouTube video ads.
It's not just about automation, it's about creating meaningful and efficient interactions. The magic behind ChatGPT is deep learning. By training on diverse internet text, it learns to generate responses. But it's essential to remember that while it's smart, it doesn't truly understand like we do. It's all about patterns and data.
The largest model of GPT 3.5 has 175 billion parameters spread across 96 layers in a neural network, making it one of the largest deep learning models ever created. The input and output to the model are organized by token. Now, tokens are numerical representations of words, or more accurately, parts of the words.
It's a testament to how far we've come in blending technology and human-like interactions. Like all technologies, ChatGPT has its limitations. It can sometimes produce biased or incorrect information. As users, it's crucial to be aware and use it responsibly.
The ChatGPT specifically struggles with problems involving multi-step reasoning and any mathematical reasoning and logic. So for example, if it has to use its previous answers to answer the next question. For example, if there is a query, how many World Cups did Italy win between 1960 to 70 when Pele played and India was ruled by Great Britain? So there are like so many complex queries in that, and it has to answer each one of them and aggregate. Sometimes it gets it right and sometimes it does wrong.
As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, understanding its strengths and weaknesses is key. The horizon looks promising for ChatGPT. With ongoing research and advancements, it's set to become even more integrated into our daily routines, making our interactions smoother and more informed.
ChatGPT 3, there's going to be a ChatGPT 4, which is going to be that much better because it will be built with the improvements that have been gained through turning this one loose on the world. But I have to say, I am quite alarmed. Not only that this thing exists, but I don't think we're ready for it.
The blend of human intuition and AI capabilities promises a future where technology truly understands us. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through AI tools, your survival kit. As the world of AI unfolds, we are here to guide and inform you every step of the way. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. Until next time.